Hey everyone, we are here today at Wilderness Lodge to show you a standard room king bed with club level access.
And these rooms are a little bit different than the queen rooms, obviously. There's a little bit more room in there because it's just the one bed, but also they have been recently remodeled, early 2020, so they've got a brand new design, hard floors, and all that good stuff.
So let's go check it out.
So this room is a little bit different of a layout than the queen beds are. As you can see, the bathroom here on the right, we do have that sliding barn door, but it actually goes the opposite direction. It's a little bit different there. We still have the closet over here as well with the sliding doors. In there you're going to find your steamer, and a little bit of a different closet in this one. It's a little bit shallower, but we have two halves to it. On the other half you'll find your robes and of course extra pillows and blankets up top. Now in the bathroom area, instead of having the two separate sides with the toilet and tub together, this time they have the walk-in shower over here, which is in most all of the king rooms, at least here on club level. You have the walk-in shower. So you've got two shower heads in there, one rainforest style and then the detachable head. So you got the walk-in shower over there by the vanity. We do have a single vanity in here, but lots and lots of counter space, some storage down below, and then of course a makeup mirror on the wall as well. The backlit mirror definitely helps along with the recessed lighting up there. Then the toilet is in its own little room right there with a pocket door inside the wall. Just pull that out to close it, and that's all we have in here, along with this really cool light that you can dim and fade up and down. So if you want to leave that on at night, you can do that. Now over to the left in the room, we do have another closet area. There's some shelves in here. Of course, you'll find your digital safe in there, as well as just some storage space. Then we have our kind of coffee nook here. We've got a Keurig. And in the drawer down below that, you'll find all your K-cups and coffee cups and things like that. And then there's a cabinet down below that has the mini fridge as well. Now back behind the Keurig, you may notice silhouette of a friend of ours, little Bambi there playing with a butterfly, and friend Owl up in the tree a little bit higher. Now this room does have a connecting door, so you can have this as part of a king and two queen room combo, but not all the kings here do have connecting doors. Of course, you can see the hard floors and the raised beds are a big difference in these rooms. You've got room underneath for luggage storage, and the king bed has the same headboard as the queen's, just a little bit bigger, of course. The main difference I see in this room compared to the queen's is that we do have a desk in this room. So we've got a desk and a chair over here. Of course, we have the lamps that have the USBs and the wall outlets built in, but we also have outlets built into the desk. And we've got the mirror back behind the desk there. Our wallpaper behind the bed, we do still have Chip and Dale hiding up in the corner there, hanging out. And we have a little bit different furniture on the other side of the room as well. We have the dresser that is the same as the other queen rooms. You've got the USB and wall outlets built into that, of course, and then the large screen TV on the wall. And then our chair and two little tables. We just have one of the blue chairs in this room, but we also have another chair behind me here. Cool photo of Paul Bunyan there and Babe, the blue ox. We have a chair and an ottoman, so added another chair to the room that's a little bit bigger. It's actually pretty comfy too. And then of course our nightstand on the side of the bed on this half. And they did build in these little reading lights to the headboard just like the other rooms. So we have those on either side. Now we'll head out here and show you the view from this room. This one happens to be facing the Magic Kingdom, but when you book that king room club level here at Wilderness Lodge, you could wind up on either side, either facing Magic Kingdom or facing the courtyard. We do have a decent sized little balcony here with a few chairs and a small table. And then if we look up and out, you can kind of see the Contemporary and Space Mountain, a little bit of the castle from this particular room, just through the trees there, but definitely a fireworks view, even if it's not a Magic Kingdom view necessarily or a castle view. So that is going to conclude our tour of this king room club level at Wilderness Lodge.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give us a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have. And of course, subscribe. We have so many videos on our channel, including other room types here at Wilderness Lodge.
And for more information about the Walt Disney World resorts and including Wilderness Lodge, you can head over to our website, herewiththeears.com. We'll drop a link to that in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.